welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tanya and you're watching A Mistletoe Wish. So folks, Merry Christmas to all of you. So finally the day has come which we were waiting for. It's Christmas, folks. I'm so happy and feeling excited at the same time. And here I'm sharing how I celebrated my Christmas this year. So my day started with cake decoration. Obviously, because we all know that Christmas is incomplete without cakes. So I made this Christmas theme cake with pineapple sponges, and this time I used buttercream frosting for decoration. So after coating the cake with buttercream frost, I decorated it further with fondant accents and edible pearls. So here I am making fondant decorations. After shifting cake on the cake board, I started decorating it with the fondant accents that I prepared. So the cake looks very beautiful and I would like to call it a cup of joy. After finishing cake decor work, I went upstairs where my sister has already did all the preparation. She totally nailed it. From table decor to Christmas tree, everything was just perfect as we wanted. After this, I went downstairs and bought the cake. Before cutting the cake, we clicked few pictures and yeah, we were all in jolly mood. We enjoyed ourselves. After all, Christmas is all about spending quality time with your friends and families and obviously to feel joyful in all the way. After enjoying these scrumptious slices of joy, we had dinner, and yeah, this was all about my Christmas this year. A perfect Christmas with family. I hope you guys have enjoyed my video. If you still haven't subscribed my channel, go subscribe it, and yeah, we will meet in another video. Till then, bye bye, stay safe and stay happy.